Ever wish your potato plants pumped out way more spuds with half the effort? Well, today I'm giving you my secret weapon, a DIY potato booster tonic that actually works. Stick around because I'll also show you how to bring sick plants back to life and how to know the perfect time to harvest for max yield. Let's dig in. Potatoes are one of the easiest crops to grow, but if your harvests have been a little on the small side, there's probably a reason. It could be poor soil, low nutrients, inconsistent watering, or even plant stress. But don't worry, this homemade tonic can help fix all that. You only need a few simple ingredients. Most you probably already have in your kitchen or garden shed. 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt for magnesium, which helps with chlorophyll production and tuber growth. 1 teaspoon of baking soda to balance pH and boost disease resistance. 1 tablespoon of liquid seaweed or fish emulsion for micronutrients and root strength. And finally, 1 gallon of water. Mix all that together in a watering can and water your potato plants right at the base, especially once they've started flowering. I like to do this every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season. You'll be shocked at the difference it makes. If your plants are looking yellow, wilty, or just not thriving, don't give up. Here's what to check. Drainage. Make sure the soil isn't soggy. Potatoes hate wet feet, pests. Look under the leaves for aphids or beetles. Remove by hand or spray with neem oil. Cut off dead or diseased foliage. This redirects energy to healthy growth. Apply the tonic we just made. It works like a multivitamin for stressed out plants. Within a week, you should see stronger stems and greener leaves, and that means bigger harvests later on. This one's key. Hill your potatoes often. As they grow, keep adding soil or compost around the stems. This encourages the plant to grow more tubers along the buried stem. And don't forget to feed them. Potatoes love potassium, so compost, banana peels, and even wood ash in small doses can give your plants a natural boost. So you've babied your plants and now you want to reap the rewards. But how do you know when your potatoes are ready? New potatoes. Harvest about 2 to 3 weeks after the plants flower. Mature potatoes. Wait until the foliage turns yellow and starts dying back. Dry down. Let them sit in the soil for 1 to 2 weeks after the tops die back. This toughens the skin and makes them store better. When you dig them up, use a garden fork, not a shovel, to avoid stabbing your spuds. And trust me, there's nothing like that moment of uncovering a massive, healthy haul. If this video helped you, smash that like button and share it with a garden buddy. Got your own potato hacks? Drop them in the comments. I read everyone. And don't forget to subscribe for more homestead and garden goodness every week.